Lunch sorted, fresh, vibrant, and ready in minutes. These tuna lettuce tacos bring together creamy avocado and zesty pesto. Start by trimming the baby gem lettuce and peeling off the largest leaves. Arrange them on a board, ready to cradle the filling. Once the leaves become too small, thinly slice the remaining core. Halve the avocado, remove the stone and scoop out the flesh with a tablespoon. Cut into chunky pieces. Quarter the baby plum tomatoes and set aside. In a large bowl, combine the tuna with the tomato paste, half the pine nuts and mayonnaise. Then mix until everything's well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Then gently fold in the shredded lettuce, 3/4 of the tomatoes and 3/4 of the avocado. The mixture should be creamy but still have a lovely texture. Fill each lettuce cup generously with the tuna mixture and arrange on serving plates. Top with the remaining tomatoes and avocado, then drizzle with pesto. Now scatter over the remaining pine nuts for that extra crunch. Fresh, satisfying, and absolutely delicious. Like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more flavorful recipes.